क्या आपको अच्छे से इंग्लिश समझ आती है, लेकिन फिर भी स्ट्रगल करते हैं जब आपको अपने डेली रूटीन के बारे में इंग्लिश में बात करनी होती है? टुडे इन दिस वीडियो आई विल नॉट टीच यू लाइक अ टेक्स्ट बुक। मैं आपको किताब की तरह नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा। आई विल स्पीक इन इंग्लिश एंड आई ऑल्सो मेक यू स्पीक इंग्लिश। मैं भी इंग्लिश बोलूंगा और आपको भी बुलवाऊंगा। सो डोंट जस्ट वॉच एंड सिट, यू मस्ट स्पीक आउट लाउड। सिर्फ आपको बैठना और देखना नहीं है, आपको इंग्लिश में ऊंची आवाज में बात करनी है। इफ यू डोंट स्पीक, दिस वीडियो विल नॉट हेल्प यू एट ऑल। अगर आप बोलेंगे नहीं तो ये वीडियो आपकी हेल्प नहीं कर सकता। Wherever you are right now, pause your overthinking and start speaking English with Khurshid sir. So basically we use present simple tense when we talk about our daily routine. जब हम अपने daily routine के बारे में बात करते हैं, हम present simple tense का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Let's take some examples. I wake up at 7. मैं 7 बजे उठता हूँ. I eat breakfast. मैं नाश्ता करता हूँ. I go to work. मैं काम करने के लिए चला जाता हूँ. Easy, simple English speaking, not complicated grammar. So let's practice now. Now you will repeat after me. तो मैं भी बोलूंगा, अब आपको भी बोलना है. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. आपको भी बोलना है. I wake up at 7 o'clock. बोलो. Repeat after me. Okay. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Repeat after me. Speak with me. I eat breakfast. Okay. I take a shower. I take a shower. I take a shower. Speak with me. I take a shower. Okay, very good. I go to work. I go to work. I go to work. Try to speak. Okay, I go to work. I come back home. I come back home. I come back home. I come back home. I watch. I watch TV. I watch TV. I go to school. I go to school. I go to school. Repeat after me. Speak with me. Because if you don't speak, this video will not help you. So try to speak as much as you can. Okay, repeat after me right now. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast. I take a shower. Mane nahana. I go to work. I come back home. I watch TV. I go to school. Now it's your turn to give the answer. अब आपकी बारी है आंसर देना. The question is, what time do you wake up? आप कितने बजे उठते हो? I already have given you the answer. मैंने आपको already आंसर दिया हुआ है, उसका पैटर्न कैसे बोलना है. Think and speak. सोचो और बोलो. Say like this. ऐसे बोलो. I wake up at 5 o'clock. Yes, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock or 7 or 8. Okay, say like this. Okay, the next question for you. Question number 2. What do you do after waking up? यानी उठने के बाद आप क्या करते हो? Speak. उठने के बाद आप क्या करते हो? इंग्लिश में बोलिए. Okay, I will help you. I brush my teeth and drink tea. यानी उठने के बाद मैं ब्रश करता हूं और चाय पीता हूं. दोपहर में आप क्या करते हैं? सोचो. Okay, I will help you. Say like this. I eat lunch in the afternoon. यानी दोपहर में मैं लंच करता हूं. I eat lunch in the afternoon. Next question. What do you do at night? यानी रात में आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do at night? Think and speak in English. I read books or I read a book at night. मैं किताबें पढ़ता हूँ रात को. You can give your answer. आप क्या करते हो रात में? Okay. I read books at night. I learn English sentences at night. Okay. I eat dinner at night. Sentences. आपको इंग्लिश जुमले sentences बनाने हैं. Okay. I will give you the words. मैं आपको अल्फाज देता हूँ, words देता हूँ. You make a sentence. आपको sentence बनाने हैं. Example. Wake up 8 a.m. So which sentence will you make? These are the words. Wake up 8 a.m. Come on, try to make a sentence because you already have learned the pattern. आपने पहले ही सीखा है कैसे बनाना. Okay. I wake up at 8 a.m. Very good, keep speaking. I wake up at 8 a.m. Go college. These are words you will make a sentence. Go college. Come on, try to make a sentence on your own. Go college. I go to college. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Make a sentence right now. I eat breakfast. Very good. Keep speaking. You have to talk about your daily routine for just 20 seconds without stopping. बिना रुके आपको 20 seconds के लिए अपनी daily routine के बारे में बोलना है. Start like this. I wake up. Then I take. After that, start speaking about your daily routine right now. Very good. You have done a great job talking about your daily routine for just 20 seconds. I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Then I wear my slippers and I take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast. I wear my uniform. I go to school at 9 o'clock in the morning. I go to school by bus. Our morning assembly starts at 10 o'clock in the morning. We leave school at 4 o'clock. After coming back from school, I play with my friends. I eat dinner at 10 o'clock at night. So in this way, you have to talk about your daily routine. Simple and easy. My dear people and students, fluency doesn't come from perfect grammar. It comes from speaking again and again. Don't worry about mistakes. Daily practice, even for 5 minutes. So if you spoke with me, great. If you didn't, go back and do it again. Remember one thing, English speaking is a skill, not a subject. So if you want more videos like this, where you actually speak English and improve your English, not just watch, subscribe and keep practicing English with Khurshid sir. See you in the next video, inshallah.